India takes great pride in bringing together the member countries on the common platform. The ISF stands as a symbol of humanity's shared aspiration to harness solar energy as a source of inclusion, dignity, and collective prosperity. Since ancient times, civilizations in India and across the world have revered the sun as the ultimate source of life and energy. This morning, as part of Chhath Puja celebrations, devotees in various parts of India offered arghya to the rising sun and prayed for the well-being and prosperity of their families. Yesterday, I also offered prayers to the setting sun. The sun connects us all, and when treated as a shared resource, it becomes a powerful force for global good. Ladies and gentlemen, climate change is affecting the entire world. Urgent and concrete steps need to be taken to deal with this threat. India is committed to combating climate change and is taking determined steps. International Solar Energy was launched in 2015, and its founding conference was held in 2018 in New Delhi. The ISA represents a significant step towards addressing this global challenge by encouraging the adoption and use of solar energy. Solar energy is a rediscovery of an ancient truth, that is, sun is the most democratic source of energy, accessible to all and belonging to none. The Solar for All initiative of the Government of India is based on this concept. Solar energy should not remain confined to the rooftop of the privileged. It should illuminate the homes of the poorest and open new opportunities for every person seeking a livelihood. Solarization at large scale will democratize energy use, enabling citizens to become active participants in building a clear and cleaner and more equitable planet. The idea of inclusion defines India's development journey. Our experience in illuminating homes in the remotest area confirms our belief that energy equity is the foundation of social equity. Access to affordable and clean energy, empowering communities, drives local economy and open up opportunities that extend well beyond the provisions of electricity. In this manner, solar energy is not merely about power generation, but also about empowerment and inclusive development. Ladies and gentlemen, the participation of women in every field is crucial for inclusive and sustainable development. ISA's Solar for Sea initiative is a welcome initiative to empower women through strategic interventions in areas such as policies, financing, and skilling. It is heartening to note that across India and many member countries, women are becoming solar engineers, entrepreneurs, and trainers. They are maintaining mini-grids, operating solar pumps, and bringing light to their areas. Their leadership ensures that solar energy not only reduces carbon footprints, but also breaks gender barriers. I am confident that energy access in the hands of women will definitely transform the lives of communities.